Hey everyone, Meckler here, and I'm over at 15,004 Ryman Road in Austin, Texas. These are new homes in a new home community called Park at Wellspoint. It's in the Wells Branch area. Let's go inside, I'll show you guys around. Got a nice bright yellow door. You've got these smart home features, so you have a smart lock there, which you can control from your smartphone. It's got a combination and a key as well, and you've got your smart doorbell by Skybell, which you can control from your, it's got a camera built in. You can see who's at your door from your phone as well. And over here, you've got your smart thermostats by Honeywell, which there's one downstairs and upstairs. So as soon as you walk in, as you can see, you've got these awesome wood look ceramic tile. It's going over here, opens up to a really nice kitchen, opens up to the living area. So you've got a nice gray white color scheme. So it's quartz countertops. You've got your stainless steel appliances and a nice subway tile. Pantry right here. This floor plan has 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. And I'm gonna show you guys the first bedroom, which is downstairs. So you have a little bit of flexibility. 1 downstairs and 2 upstairs. So first bedroom here. You've got a full bath down here, which is nice. And a really nice shower. Go ahead and show you guys the backyard. It's got a decent size fenced in backyard. You've got a gate right there so you can walk around if you'd like. Take you upstairs, actually real quick, 2-car garage. So that's nice. And one more thing downstairs. Got a little mug room right here. You can hang your jackets. You got your water heater in there. All right, on to upstairs. Tons of natural light coming in. And what you've got up here is a large game room or second living area. A lot of flexibility as well. You could use it as an office space, which I like because there's tons of natural light coming in. All right. Bedroom number 2 in here. Built-in shelves right there, which is always nice to have. And your closet here. Second full bathroom in here. And a nice shower as well. Laundry room in here. Plenty of space. You could put some shelving units right there. You also have your linens closet over here. So lots of storage space. And off over here is a massive master bedroom. Could fit king size bed in here, dressers, TV console. Could even do other chairs as well if you just wanted to sit and read. Plenty of space. And check out this master bathroom. That shower is huge. Love the finishes. Love how much room's in there. Double vanity. And a very generous size master closet. Plenty of space to hang things. So yeah, very spacious home in the Wells Branch area, which is a hot area. Not too far from the Domain, which is home to Amazon, Facebook, Indeed, VRBO, Adobe. Major League Soccer Stadium is going to be across the street from the Domain. Not too far from the Apple campus, the current campus, as well as the other campus that they're building, their $1 billion campus. So, very good location for all that. Restaurants, shopping, and jobs. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with a shot of that kitchen.